Morning everyone, welcome back, and we're going to transplant this orange flesh potato to a bigger container because it's looking good, and I think we need to change the container. We're going to try and cover it all the way up to here, that these one produce root and tuber, that it produce potato, sweet potato. This is the orange flesh potato here, and we're going to transplant it into this big container. Got some topsoil. Now there's some multi-purpose down there. I'll just mix up everything together. That's it. And put a few roots in there. Now we're gonna turn it up, up like that. You know, just bend them like I'm planting over again. Like bend it like that. Bend them like inwards like that. And then see if they can produce anything. Inwards and cover. Need to cover more of it. And compost again. We're gonna pour it inside. So this is an experiment. I think it should produce potato. Put tomato inside. So this is it. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow me with this potato.